We are going over SoundHound AI today at February 19th here. We are at $11.56 today, up 1%. Recently we had a low of 1040. That was on February 14th. Now that we're on February 19th here, I'm keeping an eye out for a potential move back up towards the 50 EMA on the 4-hourly chart. So 4-hourly chart 50 EMA is right around the $13 resistance. So $13 is something I'm keeping an eye out for in terms of a reversal. What I want to keep in mind is while we're in this bearish crossover, where the 50 EMA is below the 200 EMA, where the green line here is below the red line here, there is a potential downside move towards $10.30 again. But that just depends if we get this move up towards 13, if we can break above it, or if we reject it, right? So rejecting $13 would lead me to believe that SoundHound AI is crashing back down to $10.30, and then potentially down to this range between 10 and 6. Okay, that's like the worst case scenario or most bearish case scenario. It could also be a dip opportunity for those that are long-term on SoundHound AI. Now, in my opinion, I think what will happen is we get this test towards $13, and I believe we should break above the $13 resistance level as well. And then in the future, I think this range here at 1260 should be a level of support to keep an eye out for moving forward. So 1260 also another short-term resistance to keep an eye out for, which I think we should break above pretty easily. It's just moving forward if there's a pullback above 13. I'm looking at 1260 here as a pretty important support level if we're looking to maintain some buying pressure up towards the top side, because in the long term, there's a potential reality where we get this test towards $16. Now, I think that's a realistic price target in my opinion in terms of a recovery. We had a lot of buying pressure right around this price range of 13 to 16 as well, but once NVIDIA sold, of course, we got a bit of price action down to the bottom side here at 1030. Now, I think this sell here, we can go ahead and take a look here from 1550 all the way down to 1040. That's a bit of an overreaction, and so I think this recovery back towards 1260 to about $13 is pretty realistic in my opinion. So if you're in SoundHound AI, do what's best for you. This is just my personal opinion, and that if it was me, I would be holding, looking to potentially see a test towards 13 and up. Okay. If you are in SoundHound AI, highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members there sharing due diligence. And then if you're looking for our live entries and exits, highly recommend joining the Patreon. Currently 90% off discount as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. You can catch that link down below in the description as well, okay? Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't yet. We will be making more SoundHound AI videos on a weekly basis. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to share about our videos and join our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video for SoundHound AI.